Back to the channel. It's your girl SJ here, and today we are going to be making a chicken crusted pizza. Now, there are several variations of this. I suggest you get it to make it work for you. So for mine, you're going to need some ground chicken, and I'm going to use this garlic spread seasoning. I love this stuff. It's really good, and it has a really good garlic flavor. I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. You can use any kind of cheese. You don't have to use the Parmesan. And I'm going to use an egg to hold it together. And of course, if you're trying to build your fats up for keto, definitely grab you some MCT oil. And then sometimes I forget to add certain things to my diet. And collagen is a very good source to have in there. So even though it has a little flavor to it, I am going to add this to my crust. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is get my chicken and everything put into it. So here it is all pattied out. I added a little bit of mozzarella to mine. Now you see how it is from the edge. It will shrink up. However, if you add some flour, preferably a keto type flour, or should I say like a almond flour, coconut flour, tapioca flour, that will help with the shrinkage. I'm going to cook it for 350 for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes of cooking, it does look like this. It could stand to be a little bit cooked more, but because I know I'm going to put it in the oven with this other stuff on there, I chose to take it out a little at the 20 minutes. Now, I have put some Alfredo sauce on there because I prefer Alfredo sauce over the marinara sauce any day. So now I'm going to go ahead and get me a few little items together, like some jalapenos, some bacon bits. I'm going to cut up some onion, some spinach, cheese, and some pepperoni. And then I'll show you what it's looking like before it goes in. So here's what it looks like before I really mound it with the cheese. Looks really good to me. I want y'all to comment below. Let me know what you think. Now this is before it goes into the oven. But I think I'm going to add some more cheese. Alright, so here's what it looks like. Now that I put the extras on there, I did sprinkle it with some pizza seasoning by Flavor God. So now let's cook it. After 15 minutes of cooking, here is what we have. A finished chicken crust pizza, which is definitely keto friendly. I made it with an Alfredo sauce instead of a marinara. Now, if you've made this before, please comment below and let me know what you think. And if you are going to make it, be sure to tag me in it. This is your girl SJ here with Real Beauty, Real Food, and this is my real life pizza. And oh, on these jalapenos, remember if you leave the centers in them, it will be spicy, but you can take it out and it won't be.